WoodlandsHits.com.
Yeah. Music that makes you feel good.
My name is Adam Smasher. I want to say hi to Reese Wilson. We're going to talk about Tourette's because Reese is, you're going to be an incoming freshman, right, at the Woodlands High School?
Yes, sir.
Don't call me sir. That makes me feel really old. I'm not that old. Forget about what we have seen on television or in movies about Tourette's because most people know or they think they know what it is. What is it like for you living with Tourette's?
It's not as bad for me as most cases. When me and my grandfather, we went to D.C. for the training to go speak to the congressman, we met a lot of people. You don't really get to realize how lucky you are until you meet some. We had, like you said, how people think of Tourette's. He's a great friend of mine now. He comes up and he just screams, "I'm going to shoot the president!" Next morning, he's all sad. You know, he's like, "I can't go to the congressman now because I'm yelling to shoot the president." It's not fair, you know?
I read the article they did with you in the paper, and one of the things you said is you never make fun of a person with Tourette's because it's not their fault. Was it tough, I think, when you made the transition into middle school?
Very. I got diagnosed very late. Usually you get diagnosed like 5 or 6. We always just thought I had a tic. Like, you know, I'd just go like that.
Right.
I still do, but not as much. I've learned to control it. And so we didn't know, and it was kind of to that point where like, well, Reese is just the weird kid who makes weird sounds. It's not their fault. They're like 7, 8, 9 kids who don't know anything about this disease, and that is why I wanted to be an ambassador, because now I can help with the kids who aren't diagnosed, and I can show them, hey, have you been diagnosed yet? Like, this could be it, and I want to help them and give them advice on how to handle it, and which I have. I have talked to a boy. The band kids are making fun of him. You know, like out of all the kids, even the band kids, it's kind of sad. I love my sister for this. She said, would you make fun of somebody if they're bald because they had cancer? That's what I told him, and apparently he's doing great now. So
when I'm at school, there's people that come up to me and is like, wow, you're Reese's sister, he makes weird noises and stuff, and I have to say, he has Tourette's, he can't help that. I don't know why you could be bullying someone like that. I've stopped talking to some of the friends that were with Reese in choir, like boys, like they're like, he's so weird, he makes all these noises, and I'm like, I'm not going to talk to you anymore. Like, it's just crazy, you know?
Music really helps with Tourette's. I heard you did you performed a Johnny Cash song at your town. Very cool.
Thank you. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I've always, one of my greatest inspiration for music is John Williams. He did the music for Star Wars, Jaws, Indiana Jones, all that. I've been listening to those songs since I was a little kid. I think the first Star Wars I watched was when I was 3 with my dad. I listen to all types of music. What helps me with mine, movie scores, video game scores sometimes, or just classical music if you want to just relax. And it helps me a lot because sometimes you just kind of play a movie in my head, you know, I'm listening to music and you just kind of go into your own little world. And I never really make any noises when I'm listening to music.
Reese is a youth ambassador for the National Tourette Syndrome Association, and check out their Takeaway Tourette's Facebook page. All the info is right there. Good to meet you, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
WoodlandsHits.com.
Locally owned and operated.
Music that makes you feel good. Turn it on.
WoodlandsHits.com.